Hey guys, how's it going? Today we are back at the property. Last video I actually showed you guys that we got the whole property surveyed and we walked that property line. So if you want to check out that video, you can do that. But today we are actually gonna, if you can see right behind me, clear all of this area over here. So I'm just gonna try to come through here, cut anything I can with the chainsaw and get any trash and garbage out of here. And we'll probably make a pile. There's already a pile over here. We're just gonna add on to that. But this is all usable land, and I got my wife Autumn here with me today. She's gonna be helping me, and we're just gonna clear this whole property. All right guys, we're about, I don't know, 1/8 of the way done, but I just wanted to show you guys what we knocked down so far. I'm actually gonna go get my lawnmower and really cut this all nice, but my wife's in here taking out any rocks and pieces of concrete, and you can see her in the video pulling roots because this is really prickly stuff right here, so we don't want that stuff to grow back. So she was actually pulling it by the root, but I'm gonna knock down some of this stuff. And then back here, once we cleared, we realized there's all kinds of stuff back here that people were dumping. So there's a bunch of bricks right there. Over here, there is some old railroad ties and some siding. And I'm gonna grab my chainsaw too and cut down a lot of these little trees so we can really clear out all this land and start using it. This part over here is not gonna be too bad. This is where I think my mower can just mow over. But here's our big pile of trash. So we're gonna have to get rid of this a different day, but for now we're just throwing everything on top. We're gonna go get the lawnmower and the chainsaw, and then we're gonna start and get back at it again. Guys, we've been working hard, and as you can see right behind me, this is the finished product. So I brought my riding mower through here and it really knocked it all down a lot, and now we can utilize this space. I still want to go and get all this stuff cleaned up. As you can see over here, I showed you guys earlier, but there's all these landscape ties and all kinds of crap throughout here, big trees that fell down. So that's gonna be for another day very soon. I'm gonna clear all this out as well. And I cut some stuff over here around these trees, but I think I'm gonna cut out these trees as well. I might leave this little small tree, it's kind of cute. I might cut this big tree right here, but we kind of want to see if any of these trees bloom. This might be a crepe myrtle, I'm not sure, but those get really pretty, so I want to keep that. This tree is probably gonna go right here next to this telephone pole, but I didn't feel like cutting any of those big trees today. As you can see, our pile got a lot bigger over here. Overall, we had a successful day. Some things we're gonna be doing in the next couple weeks are we're gonna replace some subfloors in the house and a couple of the rooms and try to get that trailer level. And we're gonna keep working on clearing all this area behind me. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys again soon.